We're trying to fit this giant 3D puzzle together. It takes teamwork, skill,
You good, Chad?
and a little bit of luck.
Good, Simon. Looks good, though, all right?
Okay, Paul, you can go down.
Maneuvering these 600-pound logs into place can be dangerous. It's important to get them anchored as quickly as possible.
I'm looking good.
I'm good. Watch your fingers.
This is a time-consuming process. All the pieces have to fit together perfectly.
It's so close, man.
But sometimes they need a little bit of encouragement.
Try now.
After a bit of persuasion, we have a perfect fit.